What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Craft Tender, back by popular demand. And this time around, I know we've been gone for a little while, but we've revamped the channel. We've got some super exciting stuff coming your way. So here's the thing, guys. I've been gone for a long time, and I get that. I feel terrible about it. A lot of you guys have been very supportive about my channel and about the videos. So, coming back, I'm not gonna make you a classic cocktail that you can find anywhere. I'm gonna make you a Craft Tender original. Today, we're gonna make the Angel Share. So let's get into the cocktail. First, we're gonna start with 3/4 ounce of Carpano Antica formula. This is just a sweet vermouth. Then we're gonna use one of my favorite Amaros, Averna Amaro. Sicilian Amaro, fantastic for blending. Another 3/4 ounces. And lastly, the hitter, High West Bourbon. I'm gonna go up 1.5 ounces here. Now we're gonna add our ice, and remember, try your best to not use party ice, the stuff in your fridge. There's trace minerals, there's all kinds of impurities. It's gonna melt way too quickly. And again, when we stir, we don't want too much dilution. We want temperature and a dilution rate we can control. So, crack your large ice. Once we have the ice in, now we're gonna talk about the amount of revolutions to stir. Don't over stir this, right? So we're only gonna get this about 10 to 15 revolutions, because what that's gonna do is incorporate our spirits, not dilute our bourbon. If you're like me, give it a spoon taste. If it's not the right temperature, which I don't like that, stir it longer. I mean, there's no reason why you can't. Right temperature, right dilution, that's what I'm looking for. Again, 1 large ice cube. I think the reason why most bartenders put 1 large ice cube in the cocktail is because ice cubes with this amount of surface area, they don't melt as quickly. So there's something in a cocktail called, it's almost like a time decay, where the longer the drink sits, the more it's going to dilute. The more it dilutes, the more you challenge the integrity of your ingredients. So, large ice cube, we're ready to go. Strain in. So to finish the cocktail, we're simply gonna heat the outside of the peel and ignite the oils so that we get a nice orange fragrance on top of the cocktail. And again, remember, dress your peels, make it pretty. And there you have it, my friends, the Angel Share. So, as I said earlier, right, been gone for a long time. The time that I spent not doing this channel, I was going through, I think, a personal journey. And I think if you're like me, you get to a point in life where you think, is what I'm doing what I'm meant to do, right? Is it my dream? I left what was probably the most amazing job I've ever had in my entire life. It was a bold move because I left that job to go pursue the one passion I've been real quiet about, unless you're my family and my friends. I'm going to culinary school. Then my whole life's work has just been cooking. As long as I could remember, I've been cooking. And I think we all get to that point where morality sets in and you start to think, there's an expiration date on this life thing, right? And am I happy doing what I'm doing? Because there's making money, and then there's connecting with people on a level like I'm doing with you, and like I want to do with the rest of America, that I just need to do for the soul. So, exciting stuff coming down. Revamp of the channel. I'm talking collaborations with other bartenders that are amazing bartenders. OCLA, SF, it doesn't matter. If I get you from New York, I'm coming for you. Come down, make me your favorite cocktail, not stuff that's already been done. Here's the other thing, competitions. If you're out there and you think you got the rocks to come on this show, compete against another amateur with a cocktail I give you, loser, I don't know, take a shot of something ridiculously vile, and winner gets bragging rights. And I'm still gonna make you classic cocktails. I'm still gonna walk you through how you make these at home and why they cost $15 at a bar. Come here, Annette. It's gonna be fine. Grow with me. Learn how to do all this stuff at home, because I promise you can, and at the end of the day, you and me and everybody else will make cocktails that don't suck. One more thing, we added one more part to this show that I cannot wait for you to see. It's gonna be the culinary section of the Craft Tinder, and I gotta be honest with you guys, I love this shit. So listen, I'm not gonna say anything about it. I'm gonna keep it kind of on the down low until the first video comes out. So until then, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys there.